Welcome back, guys, for another weekly geo analysis. Right now, I'm on the daily time frame. Daily time frame, our structure is still bullish, so we will be waiting on lower time frame to see where breakout structure will happen, and where we will take our buy opportunity. I'm going to show what's happening on a higher time frame, the weekly and the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, this candle right here for March is still showing exhaustion around the same key level, monthly key level. So it's been showing a lot of, I would say, resistance. It have not been broken yet, so gotta keep that in mind. Weekly, it still has a bearish structure. This is a lower high. This was a lower high, and that's also another high, but it price didn't break above that to say that there's a breakup structure and we're gonna go up yet. So I would say this is more considered a double top. And it's also around that same monthly key level, right? So it's safe to say this area is still considered a strong resistance level, but our daily time frame is still shows a bullish bullish structure. So it all depends on if price will maintain that bullish structure or if it will break that bullish structure according to our daily time frame. H4, it's still on a bearish trend right now. This move right here is a bearish move. This is all a bearish move, and more like a counter trend. That's what we seen on a daily time frame. So I'm expecting price to either respect the current price level it's at right now, or drop a little bit further and retest this area right here. Last last low or high, last high low. Yes, high. That was high. Last high that was made, and for to find support in order for us to look for a buy opportunity. So we're looking for price to either respect this current price where it's at right now, or drop below, find support, and go up again for our bullish that we're gonna say we're looking for. H1 H1 is still bearish, but we could see that price is create a double bottom. So double bottom on a double bottom on the downtrend, it's not really considered valid. So I'm expecting price to continue down this week and find support around 1.27 and 1.26.1.69, and we'll be looking for buy opportunity. Um, not gonna make this video too long. Like I said, daily time frame is still bullish. We're looking for a breakup structure on lower time frame in order for us to find a buy opportunity. And yeah, and that's it for this video. And I'll see you guys on the next one.